to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. You're on Vyroko channel. Hello guys, you're welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to Vyroko channel. So today in my kitchen I'm going to be preparing sweet potato, guys. Here I have sweet potato. I'm going to be preparing sweet potato on the grill. It's this type of grill. I'm going to grill them here. I'm going to be using sausages. You can use whatever you like. I'm going to be using sausages. So I'll skin them and cut them up. I'm going to be peeling this. I've washed it. I'll peel it and use this spices. I have my onion leaves. I have my chicken powder. I have garlic, black pepper. That is what I'm going to be using. And then I will use some oil or a little butter, whatever you prefer to use. I'm going to be using some oil. I'll put in the frying pan on the grill, and I'll cut the potatoes bits by bits. So let me go on to start peeling them. Everybody loves sweet potato. So today I'm preparing sweet potato. So I'll peel it and cut them into bits like so. So guys, I have cut this much. As you can see, I cut them into tiny bits. Cut them as you want. The important is to cut them small, you see. That is how I'm cutting them. Just cut them into small sizes. Yes. So I finished cutting. And this is my sausages. I have cut them into bits as well. So we are going to now put oil in the pan and start cooking. So as you can see, I've on the stove. Now I'm just about to on it, okay? I've put it on. I'm going to be putting some oil in the pan. Don't put too much oil, guys. Just about 2 tablespoons or 3 should do, depending on how you are cooking your own. If you are cooking much, then you put according to what you are cooking. I just prepared 2 potatoes because I will accompany this with something else, with vegetables and corn. We are going to be accompanying this with some vegetables that I'm going to prepare later. But this is just to show you guys the potatoes and the sausages, how I prepare them. So this, I've put the potato. Now I'm going to be adding my sausages, guys. Add your sausage. If you don't want to use sausage, you can use chicken. You can use chicken, you can use hot dog, anything you want. I am using sausages today. You can use your chicken as well. Cut them into bits and put it inside. Make sure your stove is not too high. Let me lower it. Okay, so when you finish putting these ingredients like this, what are we going to do now? We're now going to put, this is salt. Don't put too much salt. Just a little, because you know it's sweet potato. And then we have already a little bit of seasoning, chicken seasoning here. Remember, we have chicken seasoning here. So chicken seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper and your onion leaves, or parsley. So what you do is just mix them together like so, guys. So you now spread it around. Just put everything inside. Okay, very easy recipe. Give this a try. Hello there, welcome to my channel. If today is the first time you're coming on this channel, thank you for coming, thank you for clicking, thank you for coming to watch my videos. If you love what I do, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. That way you see whenever I upload my videos. So this is what I do. What you do now, you cover it. Cover it. Then we are going to wait. For this, we are going to wait for a while. So while it's cooking, I will go on to do other things. So this is after 10 minutes. Let us stir it. You have to keep controlling it so that it does not get burnt. And of course, your stove has to be low. Don't high it. It has to be medium, kind of. So I'm stirring it now. This is so amazing, guys. You will love it. Give this a try. This recipe is so quick to make. You don't need to bother yourself. Potatoes are ready in no time. They will soon be ready. So I just want to show you guys. I'm stirring it. So after you have stirred it, keep it covered. It's better to keep it covered so that it will steam and to stir fry properly. So keep it covered. So I'm going to leave it. I still need some time. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Now, I'm going to give it a stir for the third time. It's coming up now. It's soon be ready, guys. So I have a fork here. I'm going to, when you try to use your fork, you see, it goes in easily, means you're almost there, but I'm still going to leave it because I really want it to be. I want it to be softer. So it's yummy. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comment section. It's kind of ready though. Amazing. Let me wait 10 minutes time. Let me give it another 10 minutes. This does not take time, less than 30 minutes normally. In fact, I put on my timer. So I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes, guys. Guys, I guess it is ready. My timer is about to ring, but after this moment it's about 25 minutes that it has taken me. And I'm going to be offing my stove now because it is ready. I have my fork. Yes. Have to. Once it comes out soft, you know that it's ready. Yummy. Yummy, guys. This is so good to entertain your visitors or your family. You can eat it, you can prepare it anytime. It's so good. You can even eat it cold. Hot, cold. In summer, you can eat it like that. You don't need it to be too hot. Yes, guys, give this recipe a try. Give me a comment. Let me know how you feel about it. Let me know if it's good. If you love it, it's a very, very delicious recipe, guys. Here we are, like always. So I've come to the end of today's recipe. If you enjoyed watching, thank you so much. Give me a like on this. If you love it, let me know in the comment section. Like always, from Vyroko channel, till I come your way again. See you in my next one. Remain blessed. Bye. Thank you.